Hello, I'm Marlon Mormon. I'm an attorney at Des Moines, Iowa. I spent 15 years as an unemployment judge and closed some 15,000 cases during that time. Iowa has experienced a pandemic along with the rest of the nation. As a result, the Iowa unemployment system is in chaos. They're very far behind in issuing decisions. What this resulted in is many overpayments, extremely large overpayments. Some of these, if not most of these overpayments, can be offset by the application for PUA benefits, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, also called PUA. You can also apply for a waiver of these overpayments, and there's another rule called the two affirmance or double affirmance rule. If you have received an overpayment, it's imperative that you file an appeal within the time prescribed on that decision. If you fail to file an appeal, you may have lost all rights to challenge that overpayment for any of the reasons that I just told you about. If you have questions and would like a free consult, you're welcome to call my office, 515-710-0902. Do not delay when you receive an overpayment. Take prompt, immediate action. Thank you.